Carbon monoxide is a silent killer. I knew that through a personal tragedy where I lost my firstborn a couple of years ago. So to make sure that does not happen to you, here are 5 steps to take to avoid CO2 poisoning. Number 1, make sure you buy and install good CO2 alarm system to alert you immediately when there's a leak in the house. Number 2, never use fuel burning camping barbecue in the house. Number 3, maintain all your appliances such as water heaters, fireplaces, furnace, and gas stove properly. Number 4, do not use generator, lawnmowers inside the garage. Number 5, never use kerosene, oil, space heaters, or lamp in an enclosed environment. The goal is to save life, so make sure you keep yourself and family safe from this silent killer. For more ideas, make sure you follow us on this forum and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DIY with Comfy for full video. Stay safe.